Hey guys, welcome back to Pharma Palette. Today we will be discussing about two different classifications. One is the ganglionic stimulants and the other one is ganglionic blocking agents. To know this, we have to know what is a stimulant and a blocker. Stimulant is something that is useful for starting the action and blocking is something that is useful for inhibiting the action. So the agents which are useful for increasing the effect are called as stimulants and the agents which cause inhibition are called the blocking agents. Now let's start the classification. So the ganglionic stimulants are divided into two types. The first one is selective nicotinic agonist, second one is non-selective or muscarinic agonist. Now let's see the drugs under each class with simple tricks. So, the first class is selective nicotinic agonist. To remember the drugs under this, just remember the trick nice load TV. Nice load TV, where N means it is nicotine, L means it is lobeline, D here. D means it is, just remember DMPP here. For D, it's DMPP. What is the full form of DMPP? It is dimethylphenylpiperazinium. Dimethylphenylpiperazinium is DMPP. Then we have T again. T means here you remember TMP. TMP is tetramethylammonium. Tetramethylammonium. Then the last one is V. V is, it is varenicline. In the ganglionic stimulants, the first class is selective nicotinic agonist. So to remember the drugs under this, just remember the trick nice load TV, where N means it is nicotine and that N is taken in the smaller doses. Then L means lobalin and D means DMPP, which means dimethylphenylpiperazinium. Then T means TMP, which means tetramethylammonium. Then last one is V, which is varenicline. Here A means it is acetylcholine, C means it is carbachol. Then P means it is physostigmine. And we have A and M. A means it is anticholinesterase. M means it is MCN 343A. And if you can't remember with this trick, there is other alternative. Just remember CAMP, where C means carbachol, A means acetylcholine, other A means anticholinesterase, M means it is MCN 343A. Then we have P, which is physostigmine. Either remember this or this, anything is fine. And the next class is ganglionic blocking agents. So these are again divided into two. One is competitive blockers and persistent depolarizing blockers. This competitive blockers are again further divided into three different classes. So the first one is quaternary ammonium compounds. Second one is amines. And the third one is monosulfonium compounds. Now let's see the drugs under each class with the tricks. For quaternary ammonium compounds, just remember hexapen or simply the hexapen, where hexa means it is hexamethonium. Pen means it is pentolinium. The next class is amine. Either you can remember that these drugs will end with amine or remember MP, where M means mecamylamine and P means pempidin. Then the third class is monosulfonium compounds. So here just remember tricam, where tri means it is trimethophan. So tri means trimethophan and cam means it is camphor sulfonate. Cam means camphor sulfonate. And in the persistent depolarizing blockers, just remember that anti-Nic. Just remember the term anti-Nic, where anti is nothing but anticholinesterases. Nic is nothing but nicotine. In the ganglionic stimulants, the nicotine is in the smaller dose, but in the ganglionic blocking agents, the nicotine will be in the larger dose. So that is all about the ganglionic stimulants and the blocking agents with tricks. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pharma